Hi, what you want? Huh? What you want? You want a cookie? You don't like cookies, do you? Huh? You don't like cookies, do you? Hi guys. What do you guys want, huh? Don't squish Dawn. We gotta come up with a better name. What did you say about jumping? Yes, good. Sit. Sit. Girls, back. Good. Dawn. Sit. 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 Yes, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Sit. Good. Sit. Yes. Good girl, easy. Good. Good girl. Did everyone get one? Yep, everybody did. All done. All done. Your girl likes really is that up here. It's a little better. Oh, there you are. There you are. Are we supposed to be jumping? No. Done. Up. Puppy. He's a good girl. Sit. Yes, good girl. Good girl. I was patting you. That was your reward, not a cookie. What good puppies. Good puppies. Hi, Ruby. Move it right on. Come on. What are you doing? Goofball. Okay, you guys just go about what you were doing, and I'll tape. Is that you, Grammy? You grunt just like your Grammy. Good girl, Izzy. Good girl, Izzy. What you doing, Dawn? Let me wake up for you to play with it. Dawn, leave it. Yes, good girl. Yeah. Miss Long Legs. We damn Miss Long Legs, huh? Okay, guys, you're a little close. Well, did you find a bone? A bone in the cot, huh? Are you all comfy now? Yes, you love me. Oh, yes, I love my easy ball. Yes, I love my easy ball. Yes, she's a sweet ball. Yes. Try and get a picture of your daughter, though. And she buries herself in blankets. Hi, Dawn. Hey, Dawn. Dawn, hi. Easy, bro. Easy. What are you doing? How you gonna pee? What? Where's your baby? Easy, bro. I always end up getting these pictures of just fur. There's Izzy. There's Dawn. Who really thinks her name is Puppy. Yeah, it is what your name is, huh? Puppy. You're a good girl. Yeah, no, puppy. What? Like when I say puppy, huh? You do, What? Okay, I'm gonna get kicked now. Thank you, Anna. Oh, you're right on the top of my head. Okay, guys, there's a little too close. Back it up a notch. I'm trying to get some video, and it's almost impossible. Anna, yeah, that's gonna be it. There we go. Puppy. Anna, you're right in my lap. Oh, speaking of that, I saw a couple of what I was thinking about in my head. I saw a couple of dogs itching, and I think we're at a 3 caps. No, of course not.
You better check him. You brought a new dog in that house. Did you check her?